Have you ever wondered how your favorite gummy bears are made? What's the secret behind their chewy texture and vibrant colors? Today, we journey into the delightful world of these beloved candies to discover the fascinating process behind their creation. The journey of a gummy bear starts with a sweet concoction of sugar, glucose syrup, and water. This mixture is heated until it reaches a specific temperature, a delicate process that requires precision and patience. It's the first step towards transforming simple ingredients into the gummy delights we all know and love. Once the sugary syrup reaches the right temperature, the magic begins. Gelatin is added to the mix, giving the future gummy bears their signature chewy texture. Now, you might be thinking, gelatin? Isn't that the stuff that gives Jell-O its jiggle? Indeed it is. Gelatin is a key player in many of our favorite treats, and it's what turns our syrupy mixture into a gummy delight. Next up, flavor and color. The syrup is divided into various batches, each destined to become a different flavor. Natural and artificial flavors are added to each batch, transforming them into the fruity tastes we associate with gummy bears. Red for raspberry, green for apple, yellow for lemon, and so on. Then, food coloring is added to match the flavor. This step is what gives gummy bears their rainbow of colors, making them as pleasing to the eye as they are to the taste buds. Once the syrup is flavored and colored, it's time for the main event, moulding. The mixture is poured into bear-shaped molds, where it cools and solidifies. This is where the gummy bears truly come to life, taking on their iconic form. After a period of cooling, the gummy bears are ejected from the molds and given a quick sugar shower for that extra touch of sweetness. So there you have it, the journey from simple ingredients to the chewy, colorful, and irresistible gummy bears we all adore. But what makes them so universally loved? Well, it's a combination of factors. The vibrant colors and fun shapes are visually enticing, and the chewy texture makes for a satisfying snack. Combined with the sweet and fruity flavors, it's a sensory experience that's hard to resist. And let's not forget the nostalgia factor. For many of us, gummy bears have been a part of our lives since childhood. They've been there at birthday parties, movie nights, and family gatherings, creating sweet memories along the way. It's this blend of sensory delight and nostalgia that makes gummy bears a favorite among candy lovers of all ages. So, the next time you pop a gummy bear into your mouth, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's been on. It's a journey of transformation, from simple syrup to a delightful candy. A journey that's as sweet and colorful as the gummy bears themselves. And if you enjoyed this sweet journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating How It's Made videos. We unravel the magic behind everyday objects and foods just like this, transforming the mundane into a captivating exploration. Imagine the world of knowledge just a click away. By subscribing, you'll never miss our latest episodes. And hey, why not share this video with a friend or two? They might just find the journey of a gummy bear as fascinating as you do. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious.